The strategy was to we just go hard on them, because mostly if you give your opponents a chance to come at you, like we did in the second half, you can see what happened. So strategy always, you go fast, you go hard. The next step is always we always go for the win. We are going to go hard. We appreciate all our opponents and we respect them, and we are going to come hard at them. The fans are our always. We are 23 in the squad. Our fans make us 24, 26. You get. Without our fans, I think the fans just give us the psych to play on and push on. Every day they talk to us. Some of them come and watch the training. We love them.
Yes, the depth is good. We've been building it for quite some time, and we are seeing the fruits starting to show now. With every game, you have different strategies. One game at a time, as usual. 5 out of 5 is good. Kudos to the boys. But yeah, we look on to the next one now from actually tomorrow.